Hi, this is Andy McNeil again for FHP, or the Faculty Hiring Priorities Committee, and this is the second part of the training for requesting faculty within your program review. And in this quick section, we're going to look at the two data sets that are available for you to strengthen and justify your position, or to support your position. So let's go to the form. If you don't remember how to get to this form, you can go back to your task stream page, and down here you click on faculty position requests. So here I have filled out everything I need to up here, and I chose education because we're looking for a education generalist. And as you can see, when I choose something right here, it automatically populates information in this section, and that's the data that you can use in answering your questions. But also, this data right here is used by the committee. The first section of the rubric asks for the tenured track versus part-time ratio and total FTF for the current within your discipline. So as you can see over here, in education, there's 0 adjunct. Contract FTF in the classroom is that amount. Faculty headcount in the classroom is that amount. Total FTF in the classroom is that amount. So I think that shows that there's some overload somebody's teaching within a classroom. There's 7 valid sections overall in education this fall. There's 1 contract FTF non-classroom assignment, so that means they have some reassigned time, and there's 1 person who has that reassigned time. So that's one area that you can use, throughout these answers to these questions here to support your request for faculty. The other one is using the FHP dashboard, and that's right here. You click on that, and that will bring you up to this page right here. And on this page right here, this is a really cool thing. It shows the trends in classroom instruction over the last 3 years. Up at the top, there's information about faculty headcount in the classroom, and you can see in this case across campus, because I selected all up here. It has the number of tenure track headcount, so the actual number of full-time faculty we have at Mesa is 227, 573 adjunct, 18 pro rata for that total. The classroom FTF, how many full-time equivalent faculty we have in classrooms, is all up here. Then section assignments, the number of sections we have that are assigned to tenure track, adjunct, pro rata, and then the total there. And then non-classroom assignments is right here across the campus. Also up here, you can select your specific discipline, and I'm going to choose education, and that will repopulate this with the specific information for your discipline. You can look at that up there. It shows the trends again over the last 3 years, including the percentage of faculty headcount that is tenured, total enrollments within your discipline. You can see this one went from 191 total enrollments, or headcount of students, back in spring 2015 or fall 2015, up to last semester, spring 2018, there were 240 total enrollments. Here is the percentage of total FTF that is assigned to tenure track within your discipline over that time, and you can see how it has trended over that time. Total FTS within that discipline, this went from 7 up to 12. So it looks like they're growing a little bit. And the percentage of sections with tenure track faculty assigned here, and the valid number of sections offered. So 9 sections are generating 12 total full-time equivalent students. Now, this is just one way to support your request. It doesn't mean that if it's going down, like right here, that you can't support your request. There's all sorts of different reasons why you would need faculty. But this is just one of the data sets that you can use. So again, I suggest that you go to one of the sessions that deals with data this fall and using data in your program review. This was just a quick overview of the data that's available within the program review on TaskStream that will support your faculty hiring request. We'll have one more video that will look at some examples of answers to questions. Thank you very much.